Hi guys, we'll begin by taking a medium cooker. I've added in washed tur dal to it. To that I'm adding in some turmeric powder, some oil and water. Now we'll turn the flame to medium here and we will close the lid and pressure cook this for about 4 to 5 medium whistles. Then turn off the flame and wait till the pressure dissipates and then remove the lid. Now in a separate vessel on low flame, I'm adding in some oil. To that I'm adding in some cumin seeds, some asafoetida, finely chopped in garlic. Mix all of this well once. Now you can see that the cumin seeds start to splutter. We add in finely chopped ginger and slit green chilies. Add in more green chilies according to your spice level. Saute this in hot oil for about a minute and then add in finely chopped onions. Also salt to help onions cook faster. Combine all of this well together. And we will cover and cook till the onions have turned golden brown. Saute in between. So once the onions have achieved this color, add in a little bit of oil, turn the flame to low, add in turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, mix once. Then add in garam masala and finely chopped in tomatoes. Okay. Now combine all of this well. Before that add in salt. Once they have combined well, cover and cook till the tomatoes are soft and mushy. About 7 to 9 minutes. So once the tomatoes are well cooked, just mix once and we add in the cooked dal along with all the water. Combine once. Add in water. Combine well again. And cover and cook this for about 15 minutes on low to medium flame, stir in intervals. After 15 minutes, then we'll start to begin the tadka. Add in some ghee, add in some asafoetida on low to medium flame. Cumin seeds, they will start to splutter immediately. Break in some dry red chilies and turn off the flame. And add in red chili powder. Saute all this for about 30 seconds to 1 minute till you can see that the red chilies have swollen up. Then off the flame and directly add this to the dal mixture. Collect the remaining of the tadka using this method. Add into the dal, combine well once and we'll cover this and cook this for about 3 minutes on low to medium flame. After that, turn off the flame and add in chopped coriander leaves and this is ready to be served. It is best had with ghee rice, even white rice and even roti or even dosa, because this is like a dal tadka. It's not too flowy. It has a bit of consistency. So go try out this recipe. It is very tasty, healthy and personally my favorite. So guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time with the upcoming videos. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.